Hey everybody, it's Joe and welcome back. Today we're going to be making homemade cherry vanilla ice cream with no refined sugar. And we're going to be doing that with our Cuisinart freezer bowl ice cream maker. So you ready? Let's get into this. For this recipe we have half and half. We have some Kroger Carbmaster Milk, monk fruit sweetener, vanilla extract, some reduced fat cream cheese, and we chopped up some sweet dark cherries. The first thing we want to do is we want to soften up this cream cheese a little bit. So we're just going to put this in the microwave here just for a few seconds, get it a little bit softer. Only about 10 seconds or so, just long enough to get it softened up and easier to work with. Then we're going to spoon that into a mixing bowl along with our monk fruit sweetener and our vanilla extract. And we're going to want to whisk that just long enough to get it combined really well. Just so you don't see extra granules of the sweetener floating around. Next, we're going to add in our milk, stir that in. Then we'll add in our half and half, and we're going to want to mix this in really well too. If you're interested in trying out this recipe, all of the ingredients and measurements are down in the description of the video. Along with that, you'll find the calories per serving, the protein, the fat, and the carbohydrates. Once you have all that combined, it's time to make some ice cream. We're using a Cuisinart freezer bowl based ice cream maker. And what that means is that you have a bowl, which is right here, that goes in the freezer. This is filled with a gel, and this needs to go into the freezer probably 6 hours ahead of time. What I do is when I'm not using it, it just lives in the freezer. That way it's always ready when I need it to go. What we're gonna do is go ahead and lift this part off. Freezer bowl goes here. All this goes back on top, and then our mix just goes in. All we gotta do now is turn this thing on and we should have ice cream in about 15 to 20 minutes. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you wanna learn some cool new recipes, get some great kitchen tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Okay, we went about 25 minutes or so, and you can see the ice cream starting to come out of the top here. Now we're ready for our mix in. And in that case, that's our cherries here. So we'll go ahead and put these in here. And give this thing another whirl, just for a couple of minutes to get all this combined. Okay, once we have that combined, you are pretty much ready to serve. As you see, as we pull the top off of here, and then the secondary lid, you can see that our ice cream's looking really good here. With this machine, this is more the consistency of soft serve ice cream. If you'd like this a little bit harder, you can actually put it in the freezer for another hour or so after this, just to get it a little bit firmer. Or you can just serve it just like this. We're gonna go ahead and put it in the freezer for a little bit just to firm it up a tiny bit more. Okay, we put it back in the freezer for about a half hour, and then we went ahead and churned it a little bit here. Looks like we're all done. So pull this out. You can see that looks a lot better. So now we just need to serve this up. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about Joe's Phenomenal, you can check out a couple more of our videos or check us out online at joesphenomenal.com. I thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your busy day to watch our video and hope to see you again really soon. So until next time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.